Let's start our today's orientation program. So can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So good evening, everyone. Welcome all to the EduBuzzer platform. So here we have gathered to let you know what are the aspects and what are the benefits to crack our dream exam, such as the IIT Jam Chemistry. Right. So we will discuss each and every aspects. Why should we crack it? Why should we go for this dream exam? Just like it. So this will be a very exciting event. And if you friends also want to join them, then share this link also. Then they can also be benefited through this webinar. Now, before going to the topic, just I want to introduce why should we choose for this dream exam, and what are the basically problems generally we face on an average before going to prepare for this dream exams. Now, if you generally see, we generally target any exam. For example, you guys are targeting for the Jam 2022, right? So we know many aspects of any subject, such as we are from the chemistry background, so that's why we know very detailed things from chemistry, right? But sometimes we need some guidance. We uh, we we need some guidance, and there the needs of any coaching institute or any paper setters who actually provide you the quality material. Now, as an initiative, EduBudget, what is EduBudget actually? What is the role of us? So EduBudget is nothing but an initiative by some students from IIT Bombay, IIT Kharagpur, and IIST Shivpur. So we understood the what is the basic problem of students. So we understood that sometimes quality material is not affordable. It is very expensive, and it demands high price point throughout the year. But to crack the dream exam, such as IIT JAM exam, and to get the opportunities, world class opportunity, is it required? Is it required to pay this amount of money for to get the quality material? Even I'll tell you that sometimes we, as a student, we have also faced that in our career, that sometimes the expensive materials are not as standard as we expect. Right? There may be some mistakes also there, and that actually misleads us. So that's why we we have come up with the exciting test series for you guys for different subjects and for different domain. So it is for the IIT JAM exam, IIT GATE exam, and we are planning for the NEET also. So already we have launched the GATE and JAM for the chemistry and geology background, and now we are here to share you the experiences of the chemistry paper setters who are from different IITs and renowned universities. So they will share you their experiences and what were the hurdles in their path to crack the dream exams. Right. So actually, this type of scenario happens. You know many things, just like an ocean. You have the ocean-like knowledge. But when there is some questions and in the exams, then you just can't answer this because you don't know what is the right path, how to answer the question, and what is the right guideline. Now we are here to guide you step by step. So you know many things what I've told you, that you many things but can't apply it right time. So what is the thing? So here you are dreaming that you want to do something better in your life, and you want to achieve the success finally. So you need this hard work. Yes, absolutely, the hard work and smart work will come from you guys. But we will help you to make it better. So we will help you to achieve the success from the step 1 to the step 5. Now we are gathered here to listen from our paper sitters, right? So we will introduce one by one. So I'll request all paper sitters to introduce themselves one by one and motivate students. So these are paper sitters from Jam Chemistry team. So I'll request first our paper sitter Orko or Utrishan. Sorry for the misspeaking. So first, Utrishan will tell you, one of our paper setter from IIT Kharagpur. He will cheer up you guys in your journey, and how he has cracked his dream exam. So we'll hear from Utri. Utri. Can you guys hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
So Utri, are you there? Oh, sorry, Utri has some net problem. That's why he will rejoin after some time. So now I'll request Orko to say something to introduce yourself before the students. So Orko.
Hi, myself Orko Proshen, and I completed my BSc from Viswanath University. And after that, I joined for MSc Chemistry at IIT Hyderabad. And now I'm recently joined as a paper setter to this Eduaja platform. And this is a great opportunity for me to do this, to inspire the students and newcomers for the yes, I very much glad to this advisor platform to give such opportunity to me. So this. Thank you.
Okay. So now I'll request Priya to say something and to motivate the students.
Hello, everyone. I hope you can hear me. So, I have done my BSc from Lady Babon College under the Calcutta University, and then I uh, cleared JAM and joined IIT Kharagpur for doing my 2 years MSc in chemistry. Now I am a paper setter at EduBazar IIT Chemistry JAM. So I'm happy to be here uh, for help all the students out and motivate them, and also get the opportunity to help them to for prepare such exam. Thank you.
So now I'll request Shubhendu to cheer up students. Shubhendu. Shubhendu, your voice is too low. Probably students can't hear you.
Hello.
Yes, now it's now it's okay. Yeah, then.
Hi, this is Subhendu Panda. I did my BSc from Rohada Ramakrishna Mission College. Then I joined IIT Hyderabad to pursue my MSc degree. Recently, I have cleared the TFR exam also. Now I joined the EduBazaar here. You guys can come and we can do it better in next. We are here with some good quality of questions and good quality of explanation also. We can do it better.
Okay. So O3 has joined. His net problem has been solved. So O3,
Hello, can you hear me?
yes, it's audible.
Okay, okay. Uh, Actually, I have done my BSc from Scottish Church College, and then I cleared my JAM exam in 2019, and I selected for IIT Kharagpur, and now have done with it, and have applied now many uh, uh, other institutes for PhD.
Okay.
Hello. Uh,
Okay. Okay. So Manish, are you there?
Yes, Shobhi, can you hear me? Am I
Yes.
audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Hi everyone, I'm Manish. Welcome to EduBazaar. I'm a depositor of chemistry, as everyone has told. So, regarding my background, I completed my bachelor's in chemistry from the University of Calcutta and then cleared JAM and joined IT. So, we all are here to spread whatever we have learned among you guys so that you can clear JAM as of this year. So, yeah, all the best, and we are here to solve every problem of yours. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, people setters also. Now, why should we crack this dream exam, and what are the benefits behind it? So, why should we go for this dream exam, and why should we crack it? So, all the aspects and all the things will be discussed by now Orko Provision. He has already introduced himself. So, he is from IIT Hyderabad. He will tell all the aspects right now. Okay, Orko.
Uh, okay. Hi everyone. So am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay. At the first, we we have to know that what is the benefits of your hard work, because jam exam is a little bit to give you have to do a hard work to crack this examination, because it's a little bit hard examination. So we have to know that what is the aspects you can do after that that examination. So first thing I have to tell that not only the IIT after jam examination, you not only you can get a IIT platform. Not there will be some other institute like ISC and JNCS. You can give interview and get an opportunity to go there to study there. And our main first point is the high profile professors, because this is the main reason to go there to IITs or ISC or JNCS, because we know that uh, you may know that IIT professors have they do the 4 years postdoc experience. So you know well that it's a very hard to after do a PhD. It's hard to do a postdoc also. So they're doing that. I'm not saying that university professor or any other central or state university professors they're not doing the postdocs, but the number of professors doing this and these are very huge in these IITs or IIS. You can it will be very it will have a good experience for you to get get touching with get in touch with these professors. So and there is also a thing that they have the many visiting professors from like many Oxford, Cambridge, or any German university or European university. They well known. You have a great exposure in your life to attend this talk or speech, and this is a very a great opportunity for you. And the next thing is the world class lab and libraries, and no doubtly the IITs and ISC JNCS labs are very much high class lab. And in my experience in IIT Hyderabad, they have the XRD, NMR, IR, and UV, fluorometer, mass, and any other many instruments like laser spectroscopy and scanning electron microscopy, transmission electron microscopy, and blow box, many instruments. So that's the main thing that you have an opportunity to know these instruments. You can know that in the working principles. You can handle these instruments by own your hand. So it's a great opportunity. So many state universities, central university don't have such a money fund to buy this high class or high expensive instruments in their labs. So IITs or ISC, JNCS have highly funded institute. From their connected with the centrals and the MHIT directly. So they have their own instruments you can handle by your own. So another thing is the library no doubtly the libraries are high class, because they provide you a every books, and every they give you every opportunity to get some papers that you can't get such journal papers from anywhere, but they will provide you a platform to get some paper, and you can access these papers by your own. The next point our is research facilities. Okay, we had discussed that they have some such laboratories, and you may also that they have such good research facilities in IITs and JNCS, because they have their own they experienced professors, their experienced lab workers, so their research facilities also very good. Our next point is the scholarship. So main thing is nowadays we know that you may know that IITs and ISC JNCSs are very costly funded, costly institute, but no doubt, but nowadays it doesn't matter because they provide some handsome scholarships, and in my experience, some of my friends get easily get some bank loan easily when they join their IITs, because in when you are in a university, it will be very hard to get a bank loan from for you to study in your future. But when you're joining IITs or ISC, they also know that that you will get you'll do good in your life, better in your life. So they will give easily the loan. They will sponsor the loan for your studies. Okay, then our next point is the strong resume. You all know that JAM exam is a national level exam, and to crack this JAM exam, it will help you to make strong your resume or CV, and it will be very helpful for your further job interviews, or maybe your PhDs in abroad. It will be very much helpful. So our next point is the brand value of IIT. IIT is not a name because in our country there is everywhere there is some central university, state university, but nobody do not know that name. In abroad they do not care about that names because they're not yes, they are very popular in our country, and they are very in high class institute in our country, but in abroad they do not know about that names. But IIT is just like a brand, it's not a name. So everybody knows about that IIT name. It doesn't matter you are doing a IIT, you are studying which IITs, but every IIT is the same value in abroad. So if you are joining IIT or ISC or in ISC, it will be very helpful to do a PhD and or get a job in your future. And in my personal experience, that as one of my friend, if you have a same potential with you are doing a MSc from your IIT, and your friend is doing a PhD, MSc from your central university, and both of you have the same potential to get a job or get a PhD position. But I'm assuring you that that the IIT guy will have a better chance to crack that job or PhD interview. Our next point is and GATE, NET, and other exam, mainly GATE and NET exam. And NET exam is just for to do a PhD from anywhere, and the GATE exam to do a PhD, and also to get some high class jobs like ONGC and IOCL and any other PSU sectors, and it's very helpful to them. And I'm sure that if you're appearing for JAM or you are study for the JAM examination, you will cover that 40 to 50% 50% of your syllabus of that GATE or NET exam. So you may know that it will be very helpful for you to crack the NET or GATE exam in your future when you're appearing for that. Our next point is the job and PhD interviews. Okay, after BSc, you may know that you will appearing for some interviews to do with the MSc. Just you have to give interviews for ISC and GNCS platform. But the interviews are very much not be familiar with you, because it will be very first time for you to do a film, yeah, to do this. And interviews and in interview mode, you may know that there will be some there will if 40 to 14 to 15 faculties are there. They will throw some absurd question to one by one, and it will be very nervous point to a student to at that moment. So IITs, if you are doing MSc from IITs or ISC, I'm assuming that it will be helpful for you for that interviews, because you in IITs, mainly IITs and ISC, you have to give presentations, many presentations in English, and it will be helpful for personal development, and that will help you in interviews for the job and PhDs. And our next point is placements, and this is the main reason, because after MSc, you MSc, that placement is the main thing, because you have to do any. Some of the students will go for the PhD, some of the will seeking for that jobs, because after at the last you have to do something for your future. So placement will IT many few universities are there who will provide some placements in the universities, but every IIT will provide many IITs are provides placements, because in my IIT, in last time when I graduated from that IIT Hyderabad, they will call some coaching institute like Baiju, An Academy, Apas, FITCI, Kota, and some pharmaceutical companies like Syngene, Dr. Reddy, JPK Bioscience, and some high class paints companies like Asian Paints and Nerolax, Varja. They will they come at the institute to hire students of IITs of their graduating at that years. So it's a great opportunity to do opportunity to get a job and of handsome salary. So at the last, I want to say that you have many opportunities were discussed here. So at our opportunity were discussed here at that point. So you can grab these opportunities and do and give your life to a greater exposure. But or you can easily say that you can't do it. So choice is yours. You can do it or you can't do it. So this is your choice.
Thank you, Orko, for motivating students. So, students, you can understand right now that why should we choice and what are the benefits behind this dream exam. So, why should we crack this dream exam? Because if we want to do excellent something excellent in our career, then we should go for this type of dream exam, because the numerous opportunities what we get in Data already have shared has shared his personal experience with you guys, and I am also sharing my personal experience that I am from IIT Bombay. So when I went for a job interview in the care in Vedanta, so there I really saw that the IIT guys have a much better uh, chance to get into the job. So that's why IIT is absolutely important for your career. Yes, this is not the one and only choice, but yes, this may be the excellent opportunity for you what you can grab right now. And another important thing what Orko have said very well, that yes, this path will help you to crack other exams in your future also, such as the GATE and NET. Because if you study the syllabus of the GATE or NET, then you can find that the total syllabus of the GATE and NET, it is absolutely for GATE, it's absolutely 40 to 60% will come from the JAM syllabus. So when you are in BSc level, so you are preparing for the IIT JAM basically. So simultaneously, you are also preparing for the GATE exam also. So you are not only doing for to crack the JAM exam and going to the IIT, and you are also doing the similar job to crack the job or PhD interview or other things what you can do after MSc. So this IIT JAM preparation as well as this path will smoothen your career. Now, absolutely, Orko what said very beautifully in the last moment that there are a lot of opportunities, but choice is yours. You can grab this opportunity, or you can say, yes, I can do it and light up. Okay, this was a very good talk from Orko Provocation from IIT Hyderabad. Now I'll request students if you have any question to the paper sitter, and if you want to hear the hurdles what they have crossed in their career from BSc first year for and during the preparation of the IIT exam, and even they have already cracked they have already passed the MSc 2 years MSc in their in their IITs, IIT Kharagpur and IIT Hyderabad. So you can get a lot of experiences from them. You can ask them, and they will be happy to answer your questions. So students, you can also write the questions in the chat box. Also, we'll take that question and we'll forward that question to our paper setter. Uh, they will answer your question. So, do you guys have any question? Any question, or do you want to know anything about the JAM total pattern, question pattern? What are the different types of questions, and what are the strategies they are basically they were following in their BSc time, and how they remember all the things, formulas, and so many things are there in chemistry. So, if you want to know something from our team, then you can learn a lot of things right now from this webinar. Okay, seems to be no question from the students because they have got a lot of experiences from our paper set also. So, from my end, because I am from science background, that's why I want to ask one thing to our chemistry team or co-promotion or anyone. So, just I want to ask one question that if I am planning for the PhD interviews, I especially want a question to Manish. If I am planning to do the PhD in abroad, so what should I do in the BSc? Is it how should I plan for those things and minimal aspects, which will actually what is the total process? This IIT JAM preparation process, how it help to the PhD in abroad? Manish from IIT KGP.
So yeah, am I audible?
Yes, it's audible.
So in general, for doing a PhD, we have two tracks. Usually, people can appear for NET or GATE to do PhD in India, and otherwise they opt for the PhD in abroad. So anyway, if you get into an IIT or ISC, JNCS or ISERS, these places, so it will anyway help or increase the probability of you being abroad doing a PhD. How does that manage to get in? How you guys will manage to get into that place? Now, once we come into the IIT place, and you'll everything will be cleared. Every confusion will be cleared. So I'll suggest if you want to do PhD abroad or any case if you want to do in India also, just focus on JAM because while you will be doing your MSc in IIT or ISER or this reputed institutes, you will get lots of exposure to the research work that is needed for PhD. So I'll say my advice will be focus on the JAM preparation so that you can get into any of these reputed colleges, and then life will be, I would say, a bit easier to get PhD abroad or anywhere in reputed colleges in India.
Thank you, Manish. So another question to Priya, that how our JAM preparation actually helps our semester exams also in BSc. When you are in BSc, how it will help?
Firstly, what I think is that for clearing them, you have to be very much good in concepts. So if you are good in concepts, you can crack them easily. Also, if you have good concepts, you will get to learn in the higher studies will be beneficial because BSc is the basic, and after that you go to the advanced stages. So obviously the BSc preparation helps in the MSc also because in MSc you have to appear for GATE, NET, those things you have to clear those things, and if you are preparing for JAM, it is a high time because uh, all the concepts get clear, and these things are always important. All the BSc things you have to carry forward. These things are always required for the higher classes exams. So for that, I think it's really necessary to have to get well prepared for GEM. Also, another thing is practice. And as we all know, practice makes someone perfect. So it's really required to practice and also maintain time. So for that, you have to practice more and more questions and with a limited time. I think this way it's a better to prepare for the jam.
Okay. So thank you, Priya, for sharing your experience. Now, the last question of this webinar, I should say, to O3, that what was your strategy, the hidden strategy, how you have scored very well. We know that you have scored very well in IT Jam chemistry. And what were the hidden strategies when you were in your BSc stage?
Actually, in BSc stage, I would like to say that many things I really don't know. Okay, the vast knowledge. Okay, I really didn't know about the vast knowledge, how much it requires. But yeah, detailed learning is required. Okay, my motto is to get good marks in BSc. Okay, I didn't plan for JAM at all at first. I only learned for BSc exams and learned many things in that and opted for the JAM. Okay, just when I heard that form fill up is to be done for JAM exam, I did. Now, when I went for JAM exam, I thought that I didn't prepare a single question. Okay, but yeah, one thing I would like to say that I prepared for BSc. My BSc is quite strong enough. Okay, for that, in that basis, I have given that JAM exam. Okay, in that case, I thought that yeah, it is a BSc question. Okay, it is very basic question. Oh, this question is quite easy. Okay, in that in that part, I thought that okay, in that case, but the question paper is tough. Yeah, I would like to say that question paper is quite tough. Okay, I would not say that all questions are very much easy. There are many difficulties like your range, the around range problems, right? The suppose NAT questions. Of course, NAT questions are quite tough. Okay, I have given answer 9, but the range setter has given 10 to 11. Okay, for only just one change, I got negative. I got 0. Okay, for only one change, the whole option is changed. So I got negative marking in that case. So planning for JAM exam is really you have to do a lot of practice for that. Okay, and I did practice some BSc questions, basic questions. Okay, so in that case, I have so that I could prepare for it. Okay, but my main intention is actually for BSc. Okay, in that days, in those days, I have thought that BSc would be more important priority, so I have done it for like that. But actually, I would like to say that in my intention that JAM is quite good. When I came to IIT Kharagpur, I met different toppers from different universities. Okay, they are rank one, rank holders. Okay, I got many things to learn in IIT Kharagpur, and more importantly, students teaches the other students. Okay, well, means students are teachers and teachers helps them. Okay, which is quite right in my case. Okay, in MSc I got so many friends and they taught me. Okay, I'm going to say that they really taught. So I would like to say that if you have to give JAM exam, okay, JAM is quite important in your life. So be prepared for your JAM exam. It is your JAM exam, of course. You have to prepare it for yourself. You have to do it. Okay, that's enough.
Thank you, Uchi, for sharing your strategies during the BSc time. So, what we have learned from Uchi is that during our BSc time, We should focus in-depth knowledge. That is very much important. That will help in our semester exam, as well as it will help to crack our dream exam, that is IIT JAM Chemistry. And the important thing is that if we go to the IIT, if we crack the IIT, if we crack our dream exam and if we go to the IIT, so what is the main benefit to go to the IIT is that the personality development. This personality development will help you. What Orko have already told you, that this will help you not only in your career, but it will help you to crack the jobs, to find the foreign PhDs in different countries, as well as O3 have beautifully told that the environment what actually these IITs give us, that is I think from my point of view, also from my opinion, and I think this will be supported by our team member also, that this environment is unique. This is a world class environment, and this will help you to build up good personality. So this is all about our paper setter sessions. Now I'll refer this question pattern. So if you don't know this question pattern, just I will give you the overview of the question pattern in IIT JAM. So the question pattern is MCQ. There are two types of MCQ. One is 1 mark MCQ. Each question has only 1 mark, and MCQ has 2 marks. Okay. So 1 to 10, these 10 questions will have 1 mark. So total marks is 10. MCQ having 2 marks each. The number of questions is 20. So 20 into 2, that is 40. And there is MSQ, that is multiple. You can select multiple answers. Right. One single option is not correct. It may be correct, but you can also have to find whether the other options are correct or not. So that is what it is MSQ. Multiple options are correct. ABCD, maybe ABCD option 4 options are right. Maybe it's single option right, but maybe it's 3 or 2. So you have to decide what are the right answers in that question domain. That is MSQ, and this MSQ will be in from 31 to 40, and each has 2 marks, and there is no negative marks. In case of MCQ having 1 marks, the question negative marks is minus 0.33, and for MSQ having 2 marks, the negative question is minus 0.67. And for the MSQ, there is no negative marks, because we have to select multiple answers for this type of question. Now, NAT. NAT, that is numerical type of question, from 41 to 50, single 1 marks each, and rest of the question, that is 10 questions, are having each 2 marks question. So 10 into 1, 10, and 10 into 2, 20. So total marks is 100. This is the overall question pattern of IIT JAM Chemistry. Here you will find 5 types of question. MSQ having question mark 1, MSQ 2, MSQ NAT 1 and NAT 2. Okay. So here we have introduced our JAM mock test series. We have already launched our first demo test on yesterday. So you can go and check out the description link, where you can find the link for the demo test. You can keep that. This is absolutely free, and you can appear for this 3 demo tests. For first demo test is for the short full mock test. Second is for the subject wise, and third is for the full mock test. That will be 100 marks. So now you can give this EduRaj promo code and can get a good price tag. Now this is our EduRaj team contact, and thank you for attending this webinar. Still, if you have any question to our paper setter, then you can raise your voice. You can unmute yourself and speak up. Since you have no question from anybody, okay, thank you. Thank you for joining EduBazaar, and thank you for listening our paper setters. Thank you very much.